Hey guys, so in this experiment we are going to examine the concept of evaporation. You guys have definitely seen water boiling or just something evaporating. That means the liquid molecules are escaping into the gas phase. And so with this experiment we have 7 related compounds that we are going to examine the evaporation and determine the relative strengths of the intermolecular forces of attraction. So we know that these intermolecular forces of attraction keep the molecules in whatever state they are in, and because we have liquids today, we expect that when evaporation occurs that they become gases. And so during evaporation, the starting temperature is usually higher than the final temperature. That's because the evaporating molecules are absorbing heat from the surrounding, and this leaves the surrounding cooler. So for this experiment, we have here our temperature probe that will enable us to take our initial and final temperatures. We also have the filter paper that we will insert into the liquid. And I have isopropanol, which is one of the 7 compounds we are testing today. And then we will use logger probe to monitor this, to monitor the temperature changes. So once you receive your logger profiles, then you should be able to use the statistics button right there and find your initial temperature and final temperature, then subtract to get your change in temperature. So let's get started. First thing, wrap your filter paper around your temperature probe like that, and then secure it tight with a rubber band. So I'll just do this. Okay, there we go. And then we will take our isopropanol and put it in a smaller test tube. And now we are ready to insert our filter paper in the test tube. I'll leave it in here for like 30 seconds just to make sure that we have a stable initial temperature, and before I even start collecting the data in logger probe. So 30 seconds. Okay, so once I have my 30 seconds done, I am going to hit collect data. And I'm leaving this probe in here for about 15 seconds because I just started data collection. And I'll let it run for about 15 seconds still to get that initial stable temperature. And now my 15 seconds is done. I'll take this out and sit it on the bench top and then allow evaporation process to continue or to begin. So we expect that this temperature is going to go down, and once it hits a minimum and we see kind of starting to rise again, we will stop our data collection and we will be able to get our minimum and maximum temperatures. So our minimum temperature is your final temperature and your maximum temperature is your initial temperature. So to get the change in temperature, you just hit the start and then subtract your final temperature from the initial temperature. And that's it.